Alright, what is up sa inyo guys? This is Waka Peach again at nandito na naman tayo ngayon para sa panibagong gameplay at this time susubok tayo maglaro ng isang anime RPG na may pagkalintulad sa GTA o Grand Theft Auto game, okay? So which is ilalagay ko sa description yung link ng game na to kapag nagustuhan nyo yung mga type na parang GTA or Grand Theft Auto is ayun. Subukan nyo to guys, napakabago lang, kakalaunch lang na itong game na to this April 29, 2026 at ayun, lalaroin nga natin to ngayon. At ito, makita nyo dito, nakita nyo ba? Dito sa may ano nya, before the start is nakita nyo dito na mayroong character na nakadikit sa may building at pinapakita niya yung landscape ng city. So pwede rin kayo dito mag-explore sa city or wilderness. Makikita lang natin yon sa buong game. And ayun, nilalagay ko sa description yung link ng game na to, i-download nyo na lang po. But anyway, graphics quality, naka-extreme tayo, pwede rin cinematic. So I think sagad na ito is extreme and frame rate nakalock into 60 and let's go. Nabubulol na ako dahil excited daw masubukan tong larong to. Ayan, dinabangan ko rin to, let's go. So pwede nyo ito malaro pala guys sa PC or computer and pwede rin to sa mobile. Gaya ng ginagawa natin ngayon, sa mobile ko siya nilalaro kahit na meron akong computer para maipakita sa inyo kung anong meron dito sa mobile. Okay, pero same lang naman sa PC. I think ang pinagkaiba lang is yung mga ibang effects. But anyway guys, umpisa na natin to. So selection ng character, meron dito female and male. Female tayo. Okay. What a nice. Ang ganda nung kwan dito, visual. Dito sa character selection, no? Parang natutulog yung mga character. Okay, so lalaki ba? Parang mas cute kasi pag babae yung character. Let's go. Alright, confirm. Ayan na, nagising na. And alright, the introduction. Panoorin lang natin to. Alright, yung city oh. So para tong GTA guys, pero dahil nga anime siya, asahan nyo na meron dito mga extraordinary powers na gagamitin nyo. Okay, kaya para siyang GTA na may twist. Ganon. So medyo parang GTA. At umuulan guys. Pero yung ulan na yon, naku, parang may kakaibang dulot sa mga tao. Ayan guys, kita nyo naman. So parang isa siyang type ng scientific invention. So I don't know, pero kung nakita nyo guys, parang nagkaroon ng fungus yung mga ano dito, characters. Ano, parang alien invasion ang nangyari dito, grabe. New Helios, after 5 hours. Ang dating city ngayon ay naging, hindi ko alam, lonely city na. Wala nang mga tao yata.
Search and rescue in sector NH19 is complete. Anomaly activity in the area is intensifying.
Meron pa rin pala mga tao dito.
Survivors ASAP.
Copy that. Second lockdown is about to commence. Evacuate immediately via the updated safe route. Current safe route is Clayton Street.
Hello? Hello? Signal's breaking.
Oh no! That's infected, boy! Nagiglitch! Oh! What kind of virus kaya ang tumama dito, guys? Maging wolf. Iskia. Mga karakter yata ito guys, inintroduce. Uy, ang laki. Ang laki nung sugat niya sa mata. Okay guys, so this is, who is this? Fadia. Uy. Putik-putik, umiinom pa ng juice. Si Lacrimosa. And this is the 3 heroes na inintroduce ngayon dito. Nako po, nagsilaglagan na nga ang para mga alien. Okay, putik-putik, nag-lock na yung phone natin, di natin pinipindot. Ito ra.
Lacrimosa, protect the others.
Alright. I think, ano to guys, mga heroes. So hindi sila enemy. And let's do this! Ayan guys, mukhang kokotrelin na natin ito ngayon. Okay. Grabe, umiinom pa talaga ng juice oh. Ano klase kapangyarihan yan? Okay, and as you can see guys, nandito na nga tayo ngayon at dito tayo nakipaglaban sa city na winasak ng hindi pa malaman. Okay, but anyway, pwede kayo dito mag-move since open world nga to guys, and pwede kayo mag-jump and other buttons attack gaya na to. Boom. Kutik-tik, ang ganda ng effect. Boom. So hindi pa ganun ka-intense guys, kasi itong character natin hindi siya ganun ka-intense eh. Pero kapag nasubukan natin yung mga ibang characters dito na gaya ng mga naka-swords, ganun, intense yung labanan nun. But anyway, subukan natin guys ang kanyang skill. Naku po, naglalabas siya ng mga objects na galing mismo dito sa city at tinatama niya doon sa mga kalaban. Nice. Unique din yung skills na ito ha. Ano to? Okay guys, mamaya kung ipapasubok sa atin yon yung mga ibang character, makikita nyo kung gaano rin ka-intense yung labanan na to. Pero ito guys, yung panimula natin character, yung uminom ng juice, mukhang bata pa to ha. Putik-tik. Boom, ano yun eto na guys. Sana ipagamit sa atin to. Nakalimutan ko na pangalan na ito, pero mukhang intense yung attack na ito. Okay, and here we go. I think gagamitin na natin. Let's go! Grabe yung ano niya, yung skill niya. Parang siyang shadow. Ay no? Black na black talaga. Alright. Pero yung kalaban natin dito, mga level 50. And level 50 na rin pala tayo guys. Alright. Yun nasa rooftop pa tayo ng building and kita nyo guys, wasak na wasak yung mga ibang buildings dito. And but anyway, ultimate, let's try this. Tikitik, kinain siya na ng shadow. And the last character, I think ano to guys, hot to. Kumbaga parang ano to, pinakamalapit na character dito kasi hinuli eh. Pero ang laki nung ano niya, sword niya. Okay, but anyway, try natin. Parang ang bigat. Grabe, babae pa siya. Ang bigat ng kanyang dinadala. I mean yung dala niyang sword guys, hindi yung dinadala niya mismo. Pero anyway, subukan natin to. So ngayon ko lang napagtanto na cross pala yung kanyang hawak-hawak na weapon nga dito. But anyway, subukan natin yung ultimate neto. Ayan religious type na character to Alright. Wala pa akong nakitang nakasword dito. Pero grabe ang intense sa labanan guys. So since baguhan pa lang tayo dito, ito pinapakita pa lang ng introduction. Pero mamaya pwede tayo mag free roam dito. Like GTA na po. Ayan yung inaabangan ng iba, yung free roam. Pero syempre guys, mas sulit yung experience kapag pinapanood yung magandang klase ng introduction. Ayan kita nyo, ang astig, ang tagapagtanggol. And who is Baikang? Alright, alupet na
3 hours since Hypervortex emerged, the Wertheimer index in central New Helios is rising. Natural nullification is in effect. Continue the search for the Nexus. Do not act rashly.
Nako, mukhang another tagapagtanggol na naman to guys. Tagapagligtas.
Something's up.
This is Baikang? Si Baikang na ba to? Yung na-mention earlier? And this is pure anime. Anime din naman yung mga kanina guys. Pero mukhang astig to nakakatana na siya or ewan ko anong kind of sword yan. Nako, nag-genjutsu siya boy. Nako po, ano nangyayari dito guys? Di ko pa ma-explain kung anong type ng enemy ba to. Kita nyo naman, hinigop niya na po yung mga particles.
Perfect angle. How'd you find such a prime viewpoint?
Nullification of the hypervortex has suddenly accelerated. I need to know why.
Found the Nexus. I guess the more you stare at its core, the faster the nullification. The anomaly that you can't look at? Surprisingly fragile.
Ano yan? Hallucination? Nag-hallucinate yata siya. Pero totoo, grabe guys. Parang yung angel ng mga gods. Yung mga mata niya, ganun yung totoong angel daw na nakakasaad sa Bible. At nakita ko siya dito.
What are you?
Ayun, kahit sila di nila alam kung sino, kung ano nangyayari. Grabe ang daming ganap, guys. Kita niyo yung visual, oh, boom. Feels like anime talaga.
Bit of an emergency. Another unknown anomaly just appeared in New Helios. Yikes, this one's a problem.
Nako.
The time has come. Stop interfering.
Oh, nag-lock na naman.
Nullified. Part of a surge? Well,
Wala na yung city, wasak na wasak na.
looks like. You're coming with me.
Okay, so I think yun yung character natin, guys, yung babae na yun, kasi yun yung sinelect natin. And after weeks later,
This is the Rap King of Groth Island,
Yo!
aka the
Grabing
Sonic
auto-tune niya, no?
Dimension Lord. Whoa, this beat is my cup of tea. All right, here comes some more freestyle.
sana walang copyright yung music niya.
And over a dozen songs.
And ito nga yung character natin.
Quiet.
Oh,
I am the
See
destined
ya?
nemesis of silence. The
Kamay
bringer
lang
of
pala
the
siya.
company.
Grabe yung auto-tune.
Oh, fine, fine. Since I won't be able to keep
Ano,
you
mala
company
Travis
for much
Scott lang,
longer,
oh.
I'll let it slide this time.
So, could it be possible that the supernatural abilities of espers have the same origin as anomalies?
The homology theory is one of the existing hypotheses in academia. Simply put, it suggests that Esper abilities are not powers derived from human functions, but rather powers granted to humans. As for whether these abilities share the same source or are in opposition to anomalies, still inconclusive.
Okay. So, Heter Riao. Ako, di ko nabasa.
Oh, how time flies! We're already here! Once you get out, I'll have one less fan. Never mind, sit tight. Let's go out with a bang. Mixed
You know.
trajectory quantum drift. Can't let those uptight folks look down on you.
Uy. Cute ng anime character na yun, ah. Parang siyang agent. Nako. Nasadsad pa yung mukha niya. Astig. Meron siyang short comedy type.
Good luck, buddy.
Alright, guys. Ayan. Nandito na tayo sa destination.
Hetero Bureau of Anomaly
Ethereal,
Control.
okay.
Nice to meet you. I am Nellie,
The Secretary General.
Hello, Miss Nellie.
The director is in the office right now. Please follow me.
Alright. Uy. Ano meron dyan underground? Try ka natin pumasok kung anong mangyayari sa atin dito. Okay, guys. And episode 0. Okay. Unforeseen yet Fort. Okay? Or di ko nabasa yung dulo. Pero ayan. Teleportation.
It usually handles scheduled low-threat anomaly cases.
Ooh. Ang luwang. Okay, guys. Let's go. Punta natin. And ang smooth. Nice. Medyo optimize siya sa phone natin. And medyo may frame drops din. Siguro yung phone na natin problema dito, hindi yung game. Pero tingnan natin sa mga battle mamaya.
Are these numbers related to the anomaly fluctuation in the city?
Yes. The Wertheimer Index measures how much an object deviates from reality.
Mm.
By monitoring the changes in the Wertheimer Index across different areas, we can respond to emerging anomalies.
The Wertheimer Index in the
Uy, ito yung tatlo kanino na ginamit natin, mga preview characters. Ay, dalawa lang pala, wala yung isa yung maliit.
man, just a class 5. I thought I could finally have some fun.
I'll go ahead. See you at the site.
Ooh, angas ah. Shadow nga siya.
Yo,
Who's that?
none your business.
Alright, guys. Ayan, unti-unti na tayo napupunta sa free roam neto. Pero I think malayo-layo pa ang ating pagdadaanan para makapunta sa free roam. Kailangan muna nating matutunan yung mga basic steps dito Alright. Ano kung ano ba yung mga ibang nangyayari dito guys. Kita nyo luwang na itong ano na to. City nila. I mean yung parang base nung ano natin. Mga agents. Tawagan na lang natin silang agents. Yan. Parang ini-scan. Ay hindi.
Oh, I mean, Miss Nellie.
Kala ko ini-scan.
About the new containment safety protocol exam, I'll retake it tomorrow.
Seeing you so spirited, Mint, puts my mind at ease. Is this an anomaly for temporary containment?
A troublesome one sent over by a senior colleague. They haven't found a way to nullify it yet. The higher-ups told me to put it in TempCon for now. Hey, are you the newcomer? Hello. Welcome to our
Uy,
team
ang
at the
laki.
Bureau of
Ang laki ng
Anomaly
ID
Control.
guys.
Hey, wanna join CSU?
CSU?
Stick with me and
Yun nga tayong pangalan nila guys. Instead na FBI ganun. Parang CSU.
This is the director's guest.
Just kidding. If you're with the director.
What?
But if you ever want to join the CSU, feel free to ask me for a recommendation letter.
Alright.
All right.
Let's go.
Okay. Alright guys, sundan lang natin yung character na yun. At ito, ang ganda ng elevator, luwang. Another cutscenes.
I just ran into Captain Baitzong, Lieutenant Sia, and Fadia Senpai from ETD. Could never get my eyes away from them. Looks like they're heading out on a mission. Is there an anomaly somewhere?
Min, what's the second article of the confidentiality?
It's, not to inquire about information unrelated to women's. Bye, Coco!
Coco?
Min says everyone has a unique scent, and she likes to nickname people
Ah,
based
mahilig
on
siyang
what she
magano.
smells. To her,
Magbigay
you
ng mga
probably
nicknames.
smell like Coco.
Kaya nagtaka siya ba't Coco? Oh, I think Coco na yata pangalan nito. Pero ito na guys, pasok na tayo. Tayo na yung naglalakad ngayon dito. Grabe ang smooth, nice. Talaga pinaghandaan to. Matagal ko rin inabangan to itong
Director,
NTE.
the guest has arrived.
Or Neverness to Everness. Okay, director. Sino kaya tong director na to? Uy, babae.
The escorter from Groth Island has finally learned to be punctual.
Naku, mukhang masungit
This
ah.
should be our first official meeting. Let's skip the boring pleasantries and get straight to the point.
Oh, straight to the point. What is it?
7 weeks ago, New Helios experienced a Class 7 anomaly disaster.
Hypervortex.
Hypervortex. You appeared with an unknown anomaly, both undetectable by the Wertheimer Index. We have never seen anything like this. The hypervortex was nullified, and Code Zero disappeared as well. You, who were brought back from the scene, have no memory of anything before your appearance.
Nawala
During your
yung ano niya guys,
observation on
alala
Groth
niya.
Island, did you recall anything about the Code Zero or your past?
No.
I still have no memory of anything before.
After the hypervortex incident, the Code Zero reappeared briefly. You, having faced it at the scene, should understand its difficulty better than anyone else. Due to your unique connection and keen perception of anomaly nexuses, we hope we could join efforts in containing Code Zero. This contract is both a shackle and an opportunity for you. Perhaps through pursuing Code Zero, you may uncover your past. Once the contract is sealed, no one can break its binding.
Nako. So, kailangan natin pirmahan yung kontrata guys. At dito nga, kapag tinitake natin yung kalaban, okay, so may chance na malaman natin kung ano nga ba yung katauhan na itong character natin. Okay, but anyway guys, ito na nga. Mag-signature na tayo ng name dito. Okay, PH. Let's go. Confirm. Alright.
Since Code Zero is undetectable by the Wertheimer Index, we cannot predict when or where it will appear. What we can speculate is that it is highly likely to be drawn to anomalies of Class 7 or above. When it reappears, you will need to handle it together. In the meantime, you can settle in and work here.
A-Bone Antique Shop?
While being an antique shop, it's actually a team of anomaly hunters. Besides the Bureau, there are various groups and individuals handling anomaly containment and nullification, known as anomaly hunters.
Anomaly Hunters
I
pala.
need to stay here for further observation?
Consider it a thank you for helping nullify the hypervortex. Living in Hetero will likely be more interesting than you think. Nelly, send her off.
Will do.
Alright. So, Anomaly Hunters pala ang tawag, guys. Uy.
Space anomaly. Initiate crisis response protocol. Containment units. ID the unit for containment breach.
Containment breach! Anomaly R3707 in breach!
I knew it. Recontain it as soon as possible.
Sorry, Director. I'm on it.
Though it's a low-threat anomaly, underestimating it will still lead to consequences.
Guys, may mga anomalya na naman dito lumabas. Alright. And kailangan natin itong i-investigate. And whoa.
Is this another dimension?
From city into wilderness. What a nice transition, guys. And as you can see, smooth pa rin dito sa wilderness. And kung nakita yung graphics quality, napakalupet. Parang console level na talaga. Nag-upgrade na talaga yung mga ibang phone ngayon. What if nilaro nyo pa to sa mismong console or sa computer nyo? Nang naka-graphics. Kasi sa computer, guys, may mga extra effects doon. And mas pinaganda yung graphics quality, syempre. So, I think sa part 2 natin, gagawin natin ito ng part 2 kung gusto nyo.
Are you here to help?
Sa PC ko ito lalaroin para makita nyo yung full potential.
You seemed troubled earlier.
Okay.
Oh, you're the best. Once we deal with this thing,
Let me treat you to a feast.
This anomaly has strong spatial abilities. Finding the Nexus in such a large area. I'm getting a headache.
Nexus?
Nexus?
The key to containing or nullifying an anomaly is called a nexus.
Putik-tik na pangalan to si Alpard Chupa. Chupa.
I must have destroyed the Hypervortex's Nexus at that time. Director, you're here. Coco and I will complete the mission.
Mahilig talaga mag-nickname
She has never
to.
worked in our organization before. Mint, make sure you explain everything carefully.
Right away.
Okay, so I think this is an additional type of tutorial, guys. Nako.
These things are called bioanomalies, aka oddities.
Oddities.
They often appear with other types of... Don't worry, Coco. I'll protect you.
Tignan natin
Leave it to me.
kung anong gagawin na itong dalawang character na to. Okay, let's do this. Ganda. So ito, guys, ganda nung attack na ito, intense oh. Pero medyo slow mo, I don't know. Yun oh, grabe ganda nung effect nyo. Para kang ano naka-skin na na premium. Ang ganda, ganda ng effect. Okay, let's go. Ang ganda dito. Kita nyo naman yung graphics quality niya, guys. Paano kung nag-free roam na kayo dito? Luwang ng mapa na ito, kaso yung mapa niya, guys, nag-glitch pa lang. Hindi pa dito nadidiscovered na maigi. Mamaya kapag free roam, pwede na natin yan. So, ito guys, tapusin lang natin to at pwede natin to i-switch sa character kanina. Nakalimutan ko yung pangalan niya pero i-switch natin. Pwede ba? Ayan, eto na nga. Let's see, mga skills na ito. Baka malakas din to eh. Oh. Meron siyang ultimate. Ayan, subukan natin mamaya kapag na-unlock na natin. But anyway, let's go.
This should be the Nexus, right?
Doesn't seem like it.
Well, let's try to see if there's a reaction with the container.
Okay.
No reaction. How did you know?
Bakit?
Just intuition. The atmosphere here is no different from where we came from.
Coco, you have amazing If I had even half of that, I wouldn't always be at the bottom in exams. Oh, I could even become an anomaly hunter, earning maybe 5 times more than here.
Okay. Okay.
Focus on the task and stop fooling around.
Yes, Director.
Okay, let's go.
It's so dark in this tunnel. Coco, don't be scared.
Pero ang reality, yun pala yung natatakot. Okay guys, but anyway. Switching type of character pala to.
We need to find the
Uy!
quickly. If we take too long,
Another dimension
the
na
space may
naman.
enter superposition.
Nandito tayo guys sa train.
The space is changing again.
Yeah, I'll keep an eye out.
Okay. Lumulutang yung mga ibang gamit dito guys. Ano nangyari dito? Para kang nagano dito. Hi! Parang kang gumamit ng illegal na gamot, no? Ang dami mo parang ang dami mo na imaginate or na hallucinate. Pero this is real thing guys. Na nagta-travel or nag-teleport tayo into another dimension. Dahil nga sa mga anomalya na nangyari dito. Investigate. Okay. Let's go. You know, huwag nadadaanan yung mga items na ganyan. Nawawala sa lahat. Ito na yata yung ano guys, lagusan. Nako, naglalag na dito. Pero anyway, ito na. Oh yeah!
It feels unstable here.
Nagbago na naman guys. Into wilderness, into city.
Yeah.
Alright, grabe ang ganda ng graphics quality. What if sa PC ko to nilaro? Mas malupit to guys. Siguro gawan natin to ng part 2. Kung gusto nyo gawan natin to ng part 2, i-comment nyo lang guys. But anyway, this is another enemy.
You think there's something off about
Okay.
this place? It's so noisy and everyone's being so mean.
Up, up,
Can't they give it a
up.
rest?
Let's attack. And meron na tayong ultimate. Let's try the ultimate.
Can you keep up with the way?
Stig. And yung character natin syempre, spawn natin to. And may ultimate na rin siya. Anong ultimate tong character natin? Oh, ganun lang. Mabilisan lang na atake. And ano to? Hindi ko rin alam kung ano yun guys. Pero anyway, tapusin na natin yung buhay na ito. Kaya napatapos na. Boom. So take note, level 1 pa lang tayo dito at yung kinalaban natin guys ay level 4. And as you can see, pwede na tayo dito mag medyo roam. Pero hindi pa siya yung free roam talaga. Nasa introduction pa lang tayo eh.
But still, no match for us.
Okay.
Looks like we're getting closer to the Nexus.
If you still can't nullify the anomaly after locking onto the Nexus, try to contain it.
Roger.
Roger. Okay guys, ayan na naman. Naku, mukhang mateteleport na naman tayo into another dimension.
We're getting closer to the source of all this noise.
Bilis.
Coco, at times like this, your voice is even more soothing. Now I'm hearing it,
Okay.
but it sounds kind of ominous. Oh, and we heard some voices mumbling.
Switch natin sa character natin. Oo. So ulitin ko guys, nasa description yung link ng game na to at kung gusto nyo ma-explore yung mga ganitong klase ng game na parang GTA, so nasa part 1 pa lang kasi tayo guys kaya hindi pa natin ito ma-explore into open world. But ayan, nakita nyo naman na napaka-intense na labanan dito at kakaiba rin yung mga kalaban. Napaka-unique ng kalaban. Boom, oh, kita nyo, boom, grabe, nakalate yung buhay from full health into 40% health. Okay, now tapusin na natin tong mission natin dito. Grabe talaga, ang daming ganap dito. Oh, putik-itik, teleport na naman yata yun.
This frame?
Di ko alam ha.
It looks...
Looks, what? Ano?
I can feel it's different from the surroundings.
Then this must be it. Imagine, if I nullify an anomaly even the seniors couldn't, wouldn't I be more impressive than them? I won't be called a goofball.
Yes, I'll assist you fully.
Thanks in advance. You're as warm as a cup of hot cocoa on a winter day.
Okay. So, interesting. Ayan na. Another dimension. Nako. Grabe, picture frame, level 9 guys. Ito yung mga kalaban natin ngayon. What? Ano natin ma-atake? Yun, na-attack siya. Please. Ay, naku, ba't nawala yung attack natin? Okay, press by the attack. Okay, party attack. Alright, boom. Grabe, level 9. And tayo, level 1 lang. Okay. Pwede tayo mag-combo ng skills. And naku po, umikot-ikot na yung kalaban. Yung mga kalaban nyo dito is unique. Alright. So baka sa part 2 na natin ito magawan ng ano guys, ng open world. Okay. Kunat, grabe. Boom. Ang kunat pa rin. Pero yung mga visual na ito, yung graphics niya, yung lupit. Ganda ng mga animation, no? Talagang unique. Yung mga kalaban nyo, unique. Hindi siya, ano mga normal type ng mga monsters Mga ano siya, different type. Parang alien talaga na kakaiba. Parang nasa panaginip. Ano, kita nyo naman, nagbago na naman. Naging whale. Dahil nga painting tong kalaban natin guys. Kita nyo, mga pintura yung nasa sahig, okay? Okay, and switch. Alright, and break. Okay, enemies lose break when damaged. The break is okay. Broken, cannot act. And okay, kailangan natin i-break to habang nakaganyan siya guys. Damihan na natin, okay? Ultimate, para mabilis mapatay. Boom. Alright, nako, ayun na. Nag-recover na naman siya. Pero malapit na to. Ang kunat nga lang. Ayun, break. Hindi, na-break ba? Oh, where are we? Ano nangyari? Ayun na. Naging whale na naman po siya. Nako po. Ito may ultimate na to Boom. Saan na yun? Yun. Ooh, malapit na siya mamatay. Naglalabas na siyang kung ano. Ikot-ikot pa. Na-break. First kill. Malapit na siya mamatay. Okay, I think na-finish na natin guys yung kalaban. And ito na nga yung cutscenes dito ngayon. Ano nangyari sa inyo?
Everything was fine. Why did you get angry all of a sudden? Mint, Coco, over here!
Sabog na.
2, 1. Here it comes.
Oh, cool. Shit. Parang nanonood na cinematic anime. Grabe naman.
Let me show you my
Napaka-intense tong cutscenes na to.
Mint Super Duper Ultra 360.
Uy.
Rolling Slash.
Boom. Hiwa. Grabe guys. Cinematic.
Stubborn thing. It won't be nullified no matter how much I attack it. Looks like we'll have to contain it.
Contain. Nako, buhay pa rin.
But now that I look at it, it's actually quite
Beautiful.
beautiful.
Focus. Ay, okay. Lagas na.
It's been nullified. Wait, what? It's
Ah!
nullified? What happened?
Nangyari din niya alam ko na bakit na-nullified guys.
Your praise. Just because I complimented it?
Maybe all it sought in existence was a sincere compliment.
Thank you, Mr. Picture Frame.
And ayun guys, kita nyo, grabe ang daming ganap dito sa
You
larong to.
handled the situation well. Mint, take her to A-Bone later.
Nako. I think
How
another
about when
chapter
you
na ang
work as
mangyayari
a
sa
toy
atin
senpai
dito.
shop?
Nakilang
Can
minutes na rin tayo.
someone else go with her? If Hattori senpai catches me again, I'll die.
Alright.
All right, then this containment breach will count towards your performance.
Please allow me to take Coco to A-Bone. Coco, no time to waste. Let's go.
Let's go.
Wait,
Alright.
take this.
Thank you for your help. Mint, let's
Okay guys, pupunta tayo sa Avon. Hindi sa Avon ha, yung nagtitinda ng mga brief or ano. Avon, okay? I
Her
think lugar
instincts with
yun.
anomalies is even stronger than in her records. We'll
Okay.
leave it to you.
Uy, kagi.
Hope that
Minontage
won't
pa yung
cause
pet.
Our director is still as rigid as ever. If you ask me, she might be just a little
Special.
special. At least for now, she is on our side.
Okay guys.
It's not far from here to A-Bone.
So I think
If you're
gawa
tired,
natin to
you
ng
can
part
rest in
2.
the car.
Ang daming
I'll
ganap.
wake
Hindi
you
pa
up
natin
when we
na-check
arrive.
yung free roam niya eh. Ang daming ganap. Ayan oh. Ita-travel na naman tayo into Avon guys. And kita nyo naman yung ano na ito, yung graphics, yung landscape, yung mga map. Ang lupit. Background music and NT. Neverness to Everness. Ito pa lang yata yung pinaka-introduction niya eh. Puti-katik. Ayun oh. Oh, may mga normal lifestyle dito, nagja-jogging. Ito yung pwede natin na-explore kapag na-unlock na natin yung free roam dito dahil nga pwede natin puntahan dito yung mga missions. At ito na yung sinasabi ko sa inyo na parang GTA siya, that you can roam, you can ride, but anime style and RPG. Okay, medyo may pagkawig na rin sa Grand Theft Auto. At napakabago lang na ito. Kaya unique style and modern design. Okay guys, and ito na. Pwede na tayo maglakad. And I think gawin lang natin ito ng part 2 para sa paglalakad, paglalakbay at pag-explore dito sa city na to. What a nice city. Ayan. Check natin yung map. And kaboom. Po, tikitik. Kita nyo, napakaluwang niyan. Hindi pa yata to yung pinaka pure na ano eh, na city dito. Okay. Ba't ang luwang? Alright. Pwede kayo maglakad ha. And while in the city, I don't know if pwede yung i-attack to mga NPC. So hindi. Pero warrant? Okay, sige. Sa next part na natin to i-discover. Okay. So anyway guys, maraming salamat. This is Waka Page again. Kita ko sila tayo sa next video. I hope nagustuhan nyo itong part 1 natin. And kung gusto nyo ng part 2 para sa exploration na itong game na to, isi-comment nyo lang. Maraming salamat. Goodbye. Alright.